How to fix Discord screen share no audio. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web application and get logged into your Discord account. From under your profile, you will see a settings icon, click onto it, and go on to voice and video. From here, scroll below and toggle on the option that says use an experimental method to capture audio from applications. Then again under settings, go on to registered games. Then under not seeing your game, click on to select and select a web browser. For reference, I'll be selecting Google Chrome. You can type in any browser that you would like. Now as your browser has been added, go onto your home page and under here you will see Google Chrome on your profile. Click onto it, select your Google Chrome, then click on to go live. And that shall fix your problem. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.